In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-page Canva website. We'll walk through the essentials so you can go from a blank idea to a clean clickable site that looks great on any device. Start by heading to the Canva homepage. Click Create. Then search for Website. You can open a blank canvas if you want full control or speed things up by choosing a pre-made template. Templates are a great starting point because they come with coordinated fonts, colors, and layouts. You can replace anything you see with your own content, so don't worry about being locked in. Next, add the pages that make your website multi-page. You can click Add Page right from the editor, or open the Page Manager, also known as the grid view, to see everything at a glance and add new pages for sections like Home, Services, About, and Contact. Keep each page focused on one purpose. On each page, customize the layout with your text, images, and brand elements. Drag in headlines, subheadings, and body text. Swap images by uploading your own or choosing from Canva's library. Aim for consistent fonts and colors across pages, so it feels cohesive. Use alignment guides and spacing to keep things tidy, and leave breathing room around key elements to make the content easy to scan. Now, name your pages so the navigation bar works automatically. In the page thumbnails, click Add Notes or Page Title and type the names you want, like Home or About Us. These titles will appear in your site's navigation menu when you publish, so keep them short and clear. If you are in the grid view, this is a great moment to double-check the order of your pages, so the navigation reads logically from left to right. When your content looks good, preview the site. Click Preview and switch between desktop and mobile views. On desktop, make sure images are crisp and buttons are easy to spot. On mobile, check that headlines aren't wrapping awkwardly and that text is readable without zooming. Click through the navigation to confirm each page loads as expected. If something feels off, pop back into the editor and make quick adjustments. Canva saves as you go, so you can iterate confidently. Finally, when everything looks polished, click Publish to make your site live. Canva will generate a shareable link you can send to others or add to your social profiles. That's it. Thanks for watching.